I heartiest congratulating to you for completing the NEBOSH Process Safety Management PSM. Full bunch of hearty congratulations to you. Shaking my hand. Okay. Bring your hand together. Yes. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you,
nice. Very
thank
nice.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you,
Very
thank
nice.
you.
Super, super, super. So tell me, how was your overall joining with the 3 years Life Safe Academy tutorial journey, and what is your future plan? So I'm handing over to you now. I'm on the mute mode. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, 3S basically feels like home, it feels like family. The support was massive right from the onboarding process, the registration, the customer service support was amazing. The experience was amazing. And moving on with the course, Mr. Rahul Aren I think he was much more than a tutor. He was like a mentor, like a big brother, like an uncle, He was just there all through the journey. He was very supportive. He will call and check up on me to know how I'm doing with the mock exam. Even when I don't feel like, he will still call and push and encourage me and make me believe that yes, I can get it done and it's possible. So the support was massive, and he was always willing to dish out knowledge, to teach, to tutor, to mentor, and also the support was very, very massive. Sometimes even when I'll be the only one in the class, he will still put in the same effort as if it was a class of 100 students. So that made a world of difference to me.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kind words and appreciation about the 3 years. Okay, appreciation about our tutor, Mr. Rahul Aren. I really recognize your appreciations. I really thank to you. Okay. Now tell me,
Yes,
how did you
and
got?
Vardana was also very always there to respond to all of my queries.
Yes, yes, agree. So how did you got to know about the 3 years? How did you got connected to the 3 years to Indian Institute of NEBOSH Learning Partner? Who told you to join
Basically,
this
I
institute?
checked.
Who
It
who
was
informed you to join
basically
this
my
course?
it was 100% my research.
Okay.
Yes, I wasn't referred. I only made my own research via the NEBOSH website. Of course, I had a couple of institutions I was interested in. So I reached out and I made my decision. I made my conclusion to settle with 3S.
So nice of you. What made you to join and take the decision to join 3 years Life Safe Academy when you was making the research of NEBOSH from the NEBOSH websites? What compelled you to join 3 years Life Safe Academy?
I think the reception I got from Vandana
Yes.
during the process of trying to get a good price and also quality education at the same time. So I think those basically her reception and the way she was very patient to get to explain the whole processes to me and all.
Huh.
Her reception made a world of difference. And then her assurance of the quality of education I was going to get.
So nice, so nice. And the what assurance we gave you before taking the admissions, and you when you succeed to achieve this NEBOSH PSM course, how did you rate? How did you find? Was it the what was been assured was in place, or something you find some we are what we committed we did not fulfill? How was it? All your
Of course, you delivered.
we delivered. So nice of you. So nice of you. Yeah. So once again, I'm congratulating to you for wonderful achievement of the NEBOSH PSM. And tell me about where are you been located, what you do, which company you have been working, which country you have been working, and what is your future plan ahead?
IDEEP, I think IDEEP will be the next.
IDIP, International Diploma.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about your professional background, where you work, which country you have been working, what company you are working, what nature of industry you have been working upon.
Basically, I work in the upstream oil and gas.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the nature of the industry I operate currently.
Okay. And which country you have been now working?
Currently, I'm in Nigeria, West Africa.
Nigeria, South Africa,
West Africa.
West Africa, West Africa. Very good, very good. Very nice, very nice. So you are planning to do the NEBOSH International Diploma Level 6, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, you are going to meet Mr. Rahul Aren again because your tutor for the NEBOSH diploma also, Mr. Rahul Aren. Okay. He's just yesterday only the introductory batch was been started. You can speak to Vandana and she will take your process for admissions and all. And she will guide you if you want to join the current batch. And the current batch will be for the DI3, as you know, NEBOSH IDIP has a three paper that is at 1, 2, 3, DI1, DI2, DI3. So, and we have a very good success rate. If you see our past result was always it was more than 80%. Okay, it was more than 80% results. We have been getting it with our excellency of the quality, excellency of our teaching, excellency with our study material as well. Yeah.
Okay, so there's something Vandana asked me to discuss with you
Uh,
because I was asking for an offer for the IDEEP. So she
okay.
said when I get on this call, I should have that conversation with you
Don't worry.
about
Don't worry.
the.
I'll give a word to Vandana. She will take care of that. Don't worry.
Hmm.
Yeah.
She
Don't.
has not been taking care of that too.
Yeah. I will. I will. I
So
will. I'll speak to her, and then I will guide her to give the good this thing offer to you, and then you can take forward. Okay.
okay, so that's a promise.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, we have a many now. The 3 years now is a small seeds like you. Okay, I've been putting in South Africa and Nigeria. Like we have a very good success rate in Nigeria. All the many students in the past from IGC, PSM, and IDIP have been passed successfully in the first attempt. Okay. Uh, so there's a Mr. Sami Marwa is there. He's in I believe in Nigeria only. He has recently he passed the NEBOSH PSM and then later he opted for the NEBOSH IGC and he passed the IGC also. Sami Marwa was there, and because he was been cheated in the some of the institution previously, and he was not succeeded in NEBOSH IGC International General Certificate. And after doing the PSM, then he got a very good exposure and very good experience, and he was very much happy. Then he opted for the NEBOSH IGC, and IGC also in the first attempt in our institution he passed successfully. And I'm wishing you you also. I'm very much sure you are a very talented, very highly skilled professional, and you will also succeed in NEBOSH IDIP very well. God bless you for success in the NEBOSH IDIP as well.
No, no problem, no problem. So just speak with Vandana, let her reach out to me,
Yes.
and if I'm satisfied, I'll go ahead. If not, I'll reach out to you via mail and via your WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Please, please, always. And tell me if you think about the PSM as a course. Okay, how you recommend the PSM course to the many professionals who are working in process industry or oil and gas? Okay. Yeah, please.
Well, it's a should have for me. I think it's a should have. If is a should have for success, basically the exposure and skill and awareness that will be achieved is amazing.
Very good. So how do you recommend people, professionals, okay? This PSM course is a very well designed course by the NEBOSH, and they must do or not.
Say again.
What I said, how do you recommend? How do you recommend this PSM as a whole curriculum of the for the process safety engineers? Okay, professional of the process safety. How do you recommend
Yes,
this course?
the syllabus is robust,
Yes,
is well written, is in depth. It has all the details and all the information needed to build the required skill and competence in the process safety environment.
very good. So,
Yeah.
in your organizations, the what is the size of the safety team? Okay, how many team of the safety professionals are working in your organizations?
No less than no less than no less than 30
Okay, not less than 30. Yeah.
thereabout.
So, will you do you think that all those team of the 30 safety professionals should do the NEBOSH, PSM, or other courses of the NEBOSH?
Sure, definitely.
And I believe you could be recommending us, okay, 3S.
Sure.
Yes, 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 yes. So very nice speaking out to me with you, and very good. Thank you for joining these sessions. And I'll speak to Vandana for taking you forward for the NEBOSH International Diploma. This is how the beauty of the 3S Life Safe Academy. Yeah, we are not we don't deal the student as a customer. Okay, we deal as a like as a family members. Okay, we give the maximum level of the good services by the proper communications, for the proper response to you with the good quality of the teaching and the all the process. Okay. That's what the big asset for the 3S Life Safe Academy. Today, we are very happy that 3S name and the branding has been reaching out to your country and in many other countries in the world. It's a really, I really appreciate you taking the call, taking the decision to joining the 3S Life Safe Academy. We are looking
You're
forward.
welcome.
We are looking forward the best institution in the world for the NEBOSH very soon in the coming years. Okay.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. And you look very smart, very dashing. Okay, very nice beard.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You look
Nice,
good
nice.
too.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much. Thank you so much. And I'll invite you also whenever you have an opportunity to come to India. Definitely ping us, and then definitely we can catch up sometime. Or when I come to West Africa, definitely I will try to make a call to you. Okay.
Yes.
And also, the NEBOSH IDIP has a privilege. Once you complete the NEBOSH IDIP, then you have an opportunity to join to the graduate ceremony in UK. Once you complete the 3 unit of the NEBOSH IDIP, then you may invited from the NEBOSH to join to the UK, United Kingdom for the joining for the graduate ceremony. So hopefully in the coming years, next year, not this year, but yeah, next year, 2025, you may be participants going to UK for getting your certificate and celebrating the graduate ceremony there, maybe.
No problem.
Yeah. So
All
thank you
right.
once again. Yeah. Thank you once again.
Okay.
And any question you want to ask with me?
For now, I think I've cleared all the questions I needed to ask. Basically, just about the ID actually.
Okay.
So as soon as I get through, you get through with Vandana, and she gets back to me, I think
Sure.
we can
Sure.
kickstart
Sure.
that process.
Sure. 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 Thank you. Thank you very much once again. God bless you. Keep
All right,
performing.
you appear like a very good leader. Keep doing what you're doing and keep growing. And I wish 3S um all the best, and just keep doing well. The sky is not your limit. You can do more, okay? Keep
Thank you.
believing in yourself, keep doing what you're doing, and I
Thank you.
wish you all the
Same here.
best.
Same here. Same here.
You're
Thank you very
welcome.
much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
God bless you. Thank you.